Hello, Kostas here, and we're gonna create a very fast-paced and amazing video that promotes viral valet. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that using HumanPal. Let's go. So first, I'm gonna select the how they're gonna show. It's gonna show the box, and let's go with this one. And I'm gonna keep it to landscape. I'm gonna hit next. To the next page, I'm gonna have to select how I want the caption to show on my screen. I'm gonna select fade in, and then hit next. And now I'm gonna be able to select my avatar. As I can see here, we got some new avatars. You see a new doctor I see over here. Those ladies, we got another lady here. You see, we can even preview her. She looks very nice.
Have you and your
So we can try and select her. Oh, we see we got some more interesting avatars. So many new avatars. So many new avatars. Okay, let's try and go on with Anya here. She looks nice, and I'm gonna click next. Over here, I'm gonna have to select the language and how my avatar is gonna sound. Let's try Jenny. We see here we have lip sync mouth movement. That's a new update over here. We can select extreme or medium. We can select medium, and let's try cheerful.
Hello. You can pick me as your Hello. You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project.
Let's try Nancy.
I can convey your message with a real Hello. Hello.
You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project.
We can select Aria.
Hello. You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project.
She sounds nice. Okay.
I can convey your message with a realistic voice filled with emotions that can captivate any audience.
Great. Let's paste our script over here. I got my script ready. I'm gonna just paste it over here, and we are ready to go. Let's see the preview. It's gonna start easily.
Are you tired of struggling to get people to notice your video?
Sounds nice. We can even add a background music. Let's put something to play in the background. Maybe something. No. Something like that is okay. It's gonna be the music carpet. We can leave it like that. And we move on straight away. Next. Okay, I have already asked the AI to create the each sentence to be 100 characters max, and we are done here. We can move on. Okay, I'm gonna just remove this part, and we are ready to go on. And I just click next. Over here, I'm gonna have to select the text color. I usually select the yellow. It looks nice, and the box color, it's nice to be black. And I can select a company logo. I can go over here because I have already uploaded a logo, so I'm not gonna upload again. I'm gonna just find the one that I uploaded before, and we are done. We just hit next. Okay, it looks great. The last step is just to upload a background over here so that it's not gonna look like that. I'm gonna just upload. I can even select the first over here, the first scene, and I'm gonna upload. Let me see. I'm gonna upload a picture from the one that I'm working at the moment. Let's see. Okay, and there you go, viral wallet. Okay, and now when it's ready, I'm gonna select it, and then when I select, I just click apply to all, so that all of the scenes, they have the same background. Okay, so I don't have to do anything else. We have our script, we have our avatar, we have everything, and that's the easiest and fastest way to create a VSL video. Okay, trust me, I try several programs, and I try several AI tools, and I always show you the best way to create videos, but this one is one of the fastest way that you can do something like that. So the only thing that we have to do now is just to click next and just give a name to our project. I'm gonna write viral wallet, and I'm gonna select to have it to 720p. I don't need to have it to 1080p. If you want, you can easily select this one, but I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna ask for an email when the video is created. It's gonna take a couple, maybe about 5 to 6 minutes to have it ready. And when it's ready, I can just download it and upload it to my channel, to YouTube. So let's click create video. Okay, and we are done. Let's see what we created. Okay, let's see our video, our VSL video, and let's play.
Are you tired of struggling to get people to notice your videos, websites, or social posts? Imagine having an easy tool that grabs attention and makes your content look super cool and pro. This is not just another gimmick. It's a real solution to help you stand out from the noisy crowd.
I think it looks great, it looks amazing, and we are ready to upload to our YouTube channel and move on. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, just click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos about this kind of tools and AI tools that you can easily use and leverage to your marketing and to whatever you want to do. But it's nice to see how exactly all those stuff are working. Thank you very much, and I will see you to the next video. Bye bye.